Hi, I'm Dave from Truly Nolan Pest Control. I'm here with another Truly tip just for you. Rats and mice are known to cause some pretty severe damage to homes all across the country. Aside from keeping your home clean, one of the best ways to keep rodents out is exclusion. How do you know if you have rodent visitors in your home? Well, damage can vary, but here are a few examples of rodent damage in the attic and in the walls. Other signs are gnawed wires, walls, and pipes. Also, if you're seeing droppings, that may be a pretty big indicator that you have rodent activity. Rodents don't always need a big hole or gap to enter your home. In fact, some can fit through an opening the size of a dime. That's small. That's why it's a good idea to inspect all possible entry points. You can easily start by doing a lap around the outside of your home. Look for areas where pipes and electrical lines lead into the home. Sometimes they have small gaps around them that can be sealed up. If it's a larger gap, you can place steel wool in there and then caulk over the area. That should do it. For even bigger entry points, use wire mesh to create a barrier. Just lay it out, cut it to size, and with a little finesse, it goes right into place. Other areas to seal off are the roof vent and roof intersects. Also, installing a door sweep is a quick and easy way to protect your doors from becoming entryways for rodents. As time goes on, it's always a good idea to check these areas to make sure your home is well protected and maintained. If you're still having problems, give Truly Nolan a call for a complimentary, no-obligation inspection, or simply buy online at trulynolan.com and enter the promo code DAVETV. Until next time, take care.